The wind just picked up, and I was reminded of the harmony of nature. What do you remember about the harmony of nature? One thing that I know for sure is that you can't control nature. Mother Nature is doing her thing all the time. There are cycles in nature, there are seasons, there is rain, there is sun. All of these things are true for us within our bodies as well. There are cycles going along in our bodies as well. Also in our families, relationships, work environment. Things are cyclical. And when we learn to embrace the cycles and love them and appreciate them, they are much easier for us to maneuver. Release the past. Step into the present moment. I'm Dr. Steph. Follow me for more tips.